Let's walk through setting up your new espresso machine. After unboxing, you'll find all these accessories included with the machine. First, remove the water tank from the back of the machine. Don't forget to take off the red seal from the bottom of the tank. Next, remove the drip tray. Rinse the accessories and drip tray, then let them air dry completely before reassembling. Insert the drip tray back into place. Replace the water tank and make sure it clicks into position. Fill the water tank above the M-in line but below the max line. Let's start the initial cleaning. Place a container under the group head and steam wand. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The lights will flash as it heats up. Once ready, the lights will stay solid. Press the double cup button. Water will start to flow from the group head. Once the water stops, press the steam button. The machine will begin reheating. When the machine has finished reheating, turn the dial to steam and let steam flow for about 30 seconds. Once done, turn the dial back to off position to stop the steam flow. After pressing the double cup button, the machine will go into standby mode. And turn the dial to the hot water position and allow hot water to flow for about 50 seconds. Once done, turn the dial back to off position to stop the water flow. Pour out the water that was just dispensed. Finally, wipe the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. Now your machine is all set to brew delicious espresso. Enjoy!